Breaking news from Tolland County, a reported gunman causing mass panic in the area of Vernon, Connecticut. He was spotted killing people in his vicinity.
I hope everyone is okay.
Me too.
A civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Tolland, Connecticut. At 10:51 a.m. on March 8, 2023, effective until 12:51 p.m. This is a message from the Tolland County Sheriff's Office. Residents of Tolland County should stay inside their homes until further notice. 2 armed gunmen were spotted roaming the streets of Vernon. The gunmen are wearing a black jacket, a black bandit mask, and sunglasses. If you know the identity of this suspect, call emergency services at 911.
The civil authority has issued shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas. Tolland, CT, at 12:57 p.m. on March 8, 2023, effective until 2:57 p.m. Update to active shooter situation in Vernon, Tolland, CT. The shooter has now been reported in the city of Somers. Residents of Somers are ordered to shelter in place, gather food, water, and medical supplies. Residents of Vernon can exit their homes, but as a safety precaution, stay at least 1 mile away from your home in the case of the active shooter coming back to this area. You should monitor local broadcast stations for more information on this situation.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for New Haven, CT, beginning at 1:52 p.m. and ending at 2:02 p.m. WPLR. Active shooter in New Haven. They were reported in the city of Oxford. You should shelter in place now. Gather food, water, and medical supplies. This is believed to be the shooter that was reported in Vernon, in Tolland County. You should monitor local broadcast, radio, or television stations for more information.
We decided it's time to put a different kind of power tool in your hands. Store Mode in the Home Depot app gives you in-store tools made to help you get
authorities have issued a civil danger warning for all of Connecticut, beginning at 3:43 p.m. and ending at 4:13 p.m. WNPR-FM. Update. Active shooter situation in New Haven and Tolland counties. If you reside in any of these counties, evacuate now. The gunman has been killing tons of people in these areas. It is too dangerous to shelter in place. Evacuate New Haven and Tolland counties now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Emergency Management for Connecticut, Rensselaer, and Washington counties. Active shooter situation. Total deaths reported are 7,832. You should evacuate now. If you cannot evacuate, call emergency services at 412-413-2352 or 911. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Belknap Police Department. Active shooter in Belknap area. Shelter in place now. Gather food, water, and medical supplies. Do not approach as he is armed and very dangerous. Shelter in place now.